Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am making 4 different types of refreshing summer drink with some fresh fruits. I post my recipes every Tuesday and Friday. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, then click all so you will get all the notifications. If you like my recipes, please give me a thumbs up. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. First we will make berries juice. 6.8 ounce blueberry, 6 ounce blackberry, 15 pieces of seedless black grapes and lime. Take into the blending jar. Add one by one all the fruits. I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger juice and 1 tablespoon lime juice. Little bit of water. With this quantity I am making for 2 glasses. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon sugar. You can add sugar syrup, or if you want more healthy drink, you can add honey or coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is better than plain sugar and jaggery. Okay, it's done. We have to strain it. Okay, now I am going to add some crushed ice. Add juice, 4 tablespoons. 1/4 teaspoon plain salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Mix it well, and I am adding soda. This is club soda. Our berries juice is ready. Now I am garnishing with black grapes and blackberry. Look at this. This looks yummy. So if you don't like soda, you can add cold water. So our berries juice is ready. Now we will make another juice. I have to pick some mint leaves. Now we will make green fruit juice. Here I have taken guava, 1 green apple, baby cucumber, kiwi, 15 pieces of seedless green grapes, 10 to 12 pieces mint leaves, lime and ginger juice. Take the blender jar, add one by one all the fruits and cucumber, mint leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger juice and 1 tablespoon lime juice. Little bit water. Here I am adding only 1 tablespoon sugar. Blend it again. Now we have to strain it. Okay. Our juice is ready. Okay. Add some crushed ice. Now I am adding green juice, 4 tablespoons. 1/4 teaspoon roasted plain salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon carom powder or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Mix it well. Now we'll add club soda. Now we'll garnish it. Green apple, cucumber, green grapes and mint leaves. Our green fruit juice is ready. Now we will make another juice. For third one, here I am taking watermelon, raspberry, grapefruit, lime and ginger. Now we will make third one. I already removed the watermelon seeds. Here I am taking 2 cups of watermelon, half cup of raspberry and 1 grapefruit. So we have to blend them. We don't need to add water. Now we will strain it. Now I am adding crushed ice, 4 tablespoon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger juice, 1 tablespoon lime juice and 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon plain salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. That's it. Mix it well. Now I am going to add club soda and we'll garnish with grapefruit and watermelon. Our watermelon, grapefruits and raspberry juice is ready. For fourth one, here I have taken pineapple chunks and peach fruits. I bought a small container because this is not the right season for whole peach fruit. Ripe mango, lemon and ginger. Here I have taken 1 cup pineapple chunk, 1 cup of peach fruit and 1 ripe mango. So we have to blend it. Add one by one all the fruits. Half cup peach fruit and half cup ripe mango. I am adding little bit water. Now we will strain it. All the juices I am making for 2 people. Here I am adding crushed ice and juice 4 tablespoon. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger juice and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And I will add 1 tablespoon honey. Now I will add 1/4 teaspoon plain salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Mix it well. Now I will add club soda. Now we will garnish it with ripe mango, pineapple, slice of lime. So our pineapple and peach ripe mango juice is ready. Look at this refreshing, colorful, fresh fruit juice. Hope you like these juice recipes. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.